Friday is always a good day to get a new tool.
This is the Milwaukee
Especially when you're cutting
M18 Concrete Saw. Full battery, all the way charged. Let's see how long it goes. All right, guys, so with full deep cuts and a full M18 12.0 battery, made it about 10 feet, I would say. All right, so we're gonna try one more time with doing a spot repair and see how that full battery lasts, just cutting a square for a direct access. So surprisingly, those only brought it down 1 bar. Cut 4 inches deep, and it wasn't as long, but did do the job. Not the best concrete saw I've ever used, but for small patches like this, but not if you're cutting long trenches with it. But all in all, I am impressed. It's a battery tool. It's the first of its kind. Only going to get better. And check out these other features. All right, guys, so I know to some this is old technology, but out of all my Milwaukee tools, this is my first one key. I gotta say, it's pretty unreal. It's got the built-in GPS tracker. You can connect right to the tool. It works. Push a button on my phone. It's locked out. I gotta say, they got me sold. The Bear tool can be purchased on Amazon for $459.99. That's no batteries, just the Bear tool. You can get the kit with the 2 larger batteries for it and the charger for a little more at $16.97, 14 cents. Make sure you check the link in my bio. It takes you directly to my shop, and you'll see it right there. Thanks for watching.